Well, that is a drink with a proper whack to it. Obviously it's very boozy. The orange garnish is absolutely essential. When I haven't had an orange handy, I've tried using a tangerine and it's not the same. The syrup, all those infusions that go into the syrup, they're actually very subtle. If you want more of a kick from the infusions, you want them to show through more. The key is to, well, firstly, roast them or toast the spices and crush them. Also, leave them seeping into the syrup for as long as possible. So you could just not strain it at all and leave the syrup in a Kilner jar or something and just spoon it out as you need it. And lastly, if you're using fresh spices, you know, that's always the way forward. If you've got some knocking around that have been in the cupboard for a few years, you're possibly not going to get a great deal from them. But it's a delicious drink, and I hope you enjoy it. Cheers.